I went today to the surgeon's office and things went pretty good. They numbed me up and did a wonderful job out of it. Very, very gentle. And then the surgeon came in and because this was so very deep, Bruce says it was the size of a nickel, but very deep. Put my eyebrows different. So they stitched that up too. So I got a brow lift along with getting rid of my cancer, which is always good news.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.